and what's amazing today video, we have a Sensorymoon Tornado lamp. As you see, it's been twisting with things, and we're gonna see what happens if we put this minifig inside of here. This little dude, hey, and your man is gonna go in there. So now we're gonna put you head first into. Oh my goodness! So I'm gonna shut this off for a second. So like the man will come up, stop. You have disobeyed me. You shall not go back. All right. So I want to see what happens if we put two little men in there. So this other dude is gonna be going in with you, and so I'm gonna turn this lamp on. The Sensorymoon lamp is so cool. Like, there's a little bit of hairs in it. Yeah, who cares about that though? So now I'm gonna put these two head first into this lamp. Alright, this is kind of interesting. Now, if you can see, I'm gonna show you what it looks like without the mini people. Without the mini people, it looks really cool. So now I'm gonna just let it form. You can look from the top as you see it forming. Ah! It's forming. See guys here? Look, I can put my finger in a vortex. I know, it's very cool, right? My finger's in the vortex. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna stick my finger. A what? Oh my goodness. Here, I'm gonna help it. Go, faster. As you see, it says max right here. And this is the water level it's supposed to be on. The Sensorymoon lamp, that's like a little tornado and a thing, is worth buying. Guys, buy your own lamp like this, guys. This lamp is worth buying. Seriously, it
Why
really
is it worth buying?
It's worth buying because it's amazing. It looks good. And it's kind of like a night light. You could be in bed and then you could literally turn on your own moon lamp. And then you would have your night light. And that would be really cool. So, I think it's about time to be ending this video. Peace out.